good smell. Eliminate the bad odors of your house in 30 minutes thanks to this. Something that must be met every day in the home is certainly cleaning. This will allow our house to look shiny and have a good smell. But cleaning the home is not usually simple, as we also find spaces that are not inhabited and these usually have a bad smell, which we attack with cleaning products of convenience. But sometimes these are usually not very effective. That is why we will share the recipe of a trick to make your house smell incredible. The ingredients are cheap, and you can get them anywhere. Learn how to prepare it. Home trick to make your house smell amazing. Bad odors in the home can invade us for several reasons. The most common of the reasons is household grime. However, a clean home is not immune to bad odors. If for some reason the bad smells invade your home, you can eliminate them as follows. Ingredients: 3 cups of hot water, an empty spray bottle, 3 spoonfuls of fabric softener, a spoonful of baking soda. How to prepare? We must add the amount of softener indicated on the empty aerosol container. The softener should be the smell that pleases us most. Add the 3 cups of hot water. Add the baking soda. Close the container and shake for a few seconds. How to use? Once you have followed the instructions, just use it. You must spray all over your home. Put special emphasis on the area where the bad smell originates. Take care not to apply to specific areas so that you do not stain any surface.